Welcome back to Miss Letter's Calculation Station Final Review, Chapter 6 through 8. So, I was asked a question where the 24 came from, and this 24 is our semi-monthly. So, you're going to pay $42 every paycheck. So, the semi-monthly is going to give us the 24 checks. So, if you flip it back over, the 26 came from our bi-weekly checks. And that's another reason why I ended up putting these on my note card. Speaking of note cards, I was going to do it off camera, but I decided to film it. And I'm going to just put a quick summary down. I'm just going to say something like $20 weekly. And I'm going to say 20% of total cost. So I'm just going to make something up because I don't want something too big or elaborate. So here's my formula, and I'm going to definitely break this up a little. How you do your card is up to you, whatever makes sense to you. But I do want to kind of keep some organization. So we have 20 times 52 weeks. And that is 0.20 C. So we got some stuff going on here to kind of show us how to put it in there. So $20 a week, every week, you're going to pull out $1,040 out of my check, and I'm going to label this what I paid. So that tells me what I paid. I'm going to divide by 20%. I've got a big card, so I'm not worried about being too small on it. And I get $5,200 equals cost. This is the total cost of insurance. So if I take the cost and subtract what I paid, minus 1040, this is what my employer paid. And I think this is going to help me as a big reminder on how to do this problem. So I just made up a problem, showed where I'm getting these numbers. Weekly, it may say bi-weekly, it might say semi-monthly. So that's where this number comes into play. It's just based off of here. Now, using just my yellow sheet, I'm going to go ahead and do Noah's 5897 bi-weekly is 26 checks, which is 18% of the total cost. So I'm going to take $58.97 times 26 checks gives me $1,533.22, which is 18% of the total cost. Divide that by 0.18, and the total cost is $8,517.89. So notice how we didn't have to go any further than the total cost because they didn't want what the employer paid. So I was able to stop it right there. FICA taxes. You guys remember that? FICA taxes is just a fancy schmancy word for Medicare and Social Security. So here, Hannah began working as a nurse she made $66,640. Here's the Medicare and Social Security rate. And the maximum taxable income is $112,000. Now she didn't come close to it, so I'm going to cross that out because it's not going to come into play for Hannah. So I'm going to do $66,640 times 0.0145 and her Social Security, which is $66,640 times 0.062. So I'm just going to put that in my calculator one time, ignoring the fact that she didn't even come close to the maximum tax. So that is irrelevant for her taxes as they are for mine. And I'm just going to just add in the 66,640 times 0.062. So I put the whole thing in there. She owes about $5,097.96 going to Social Security Medicare tax. Joanna's taxable income is $60,759. She's married, filing jointly. So that puts her in this tax bracket right here. And we're going to look up 759, which is between $750 and $800 because they are in $50 increments. And her tax is going to be $8,314. Floyd is also married, filing jointly, so he's in this tax bracket, $60,500, which is here and there. But because it's not equal to, he does need to go into the second tax bracket, which brings it at $8,276. And Ryan has $60,894. I'm just going to look for $894, which is right here. She's head of household. So that brings us at $10,281. I hope this review is being helpful for you. If you like it, please like and subscribe.